Give yourself this gift this month. Get your examination if you're over 40 and you want to do your ultrasound or your mammogram. If you have a suspicious anything in your lung, in your breast, just go ahead and do that. Or learn how to do your screening. Learn your normal breasts so you can identify if it becomes abnormal. Or go to your health center and ask your nurse or the doctor to do your breast examination, but also to teach you. Having that knowledge is really empowering. Every Grenadian woman learned how to examine her breast. What a great place we'd be in.
That's the advice from Dr. Sonja Nixon as Grenada joins the rest of the region to observe Breast Cancer Awareness Month 2021. Breast cancer has been identified as the #1 cause of death in women in Grenada. A person who has had cancer in one breast is more susceptible to contracting it in the other. That's according to Dr. Sonja Nixon, who explained that women who smoke and have had hormone replacement are among the people most prone to disease.
A woman, you're more likely to get breast cancer than for a man. If you're a woman between the ages of 45 and 55, you're at risk, increased risk. The woman who's obese, and obesity has in fact become one of the greatest risk factors for a lot of diseases, not the least of which is cancers. The woman who has not had children or who has not breastfed, those are women who are at greater risk. Women who have a first degree family, your mother, your sister, your mother's sisters, that kind of stuff. Okay.
Here are some of the signs women should look for as indications of breast cancer. Early screening is also recommended.
Look for that solitary lump that feels very hard, that's not painful, okay? That pulls everything. Look for changes in the skin, whether they have dimpling, redness, whether you have anything leaking from your nipples. Look for difference in the sizes, but you can only know differences if you know the baseline. So we encourage women to learn early how to do their self-breast examination. So women under 40 are not encouraged, and women who haven't had children are not necessarily encouraged to do mammograms because the amount of pressure that's put on very indurated tissue. You don't want to do more damage.
Dr. Nixon says this year their focus is on preventing cancer and beating COVID-19. The annual walk put on by First Caribbean Bank did not take place this year due to COVID-19 restrictions. However, the St. George's University student organization, Women in Medicine, are joining the fight to build awareness and support the Grenadian community. Just about this time, October 27th, the Women in Medicine and Nursing Students organization at SGU are holding a virtual breast exam seminar. Along with faculty advisors, they will be going over the steps on how a self-exam is properly performed and will answer questions. Women in Medicine at SGU held their cancer walk. T-shirts and masks are available for sale to raise funds to assist cancer patients. Christelina John, GBN News.